Welcome to Wonder Wheels. Today we're taking a nostalgic journey back in time with the MG MGB 1980, a classic British roadster that defined the open-top driving experience for an entire generation. The MG MGB is a two-door sports car owned by the British Motor Corporation and later by British Leyland from 1962 to 1980. Designed with simplicity, charm, and driving pleasure in mind, it quickly became one of the most beloved classic cars ever built. The 1980 model year was the final version of this legendary vehicle, marking the end of an 18-year production run that left a lasting impact on the automotive world. The invention of the MGB was born from the desire to create a modern, lightweight, sports car that was more refined and structurally advanced than its predecessors. It introduced a monocoque chassis, a departure from the traditional body-on-frame design, making it lighter and more rigid, which greatly improved handling and safety. The MGB was aimed at offering affordable performance and classic British styling in a reliable and enjoyable package. Although manufactured in the United Kingdom, the MGB found its largest audience in the United States. Over two-thirds of all MGBs were sold in America, where it became a symbol of fun, freedom, and youth during the 1960s and 70s. Its popularity was boosted by its sporty looks, open-top driving appeal, and price point that made it accessible to everyday enthusiasts. In terms of performance, the 1980 MG MGB came equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 62 horsepower. While not a powerhouse, it offered a lively and engaging driving experience with a top speed of around 95 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time of approximately 14 seconds. The car featured a 4-speed manual gearbox, and some models included an overdrive function for better efficiency at cruising speeds. Fuel efficiency was respectable for its time, averaging between 25 and 30 miles per gallon, depending on driving habits and road conditions. This made the MGB a practical option for everyday use as well as weekend drives. Despite its sports car nature, it was economical enough to suit budget-conscious drivers. The capabilities of the MGB extended beyond performance. It had a relatively spacious interior for a two-seater, decent luggage space in the trunk, and a soft suspension setup that made it comfortable for longer journeys. Its simplicity also made it easy to maintain and modify, which contributed to its longevity in the classic car scene. Key features of the 1980 model included the distinctive rubber bumpers added for U.S. safety regulations, classic round dials on the dashboard, and chrome detailing. While purists preferred the earlier chrome bumper models, the 1980 version still held the soul of the original design. Back in 1980, the MG MGB sold for around $7,000, offering great value for a sporty convertible. Today, a well-maintained or restored model can range from $10,000 to $20,000 or more, depending on condition and originality. Its main selling point remains its timeless design, approachable performance, and the pure joy it offers behind the wheel. For classic car lovers, the MG MGB 1980 isn't just a car, it's an experience. Thanks for watching Wonder Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic car stories from the golden age of motoring.